Hello everyone, how are you all? Let's crack 9th and 10th CBSE with India's largest learning platform and academy. Crack all the CBSE exams with us. All the top educators are going to teach you the quality content and you are going to have a great learning experience. टॉप एजुकेटर्स पढ़ाते हैं क्वालिटी कंटेंट एंड आपका जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो तो बहुत ही अच्छा रहेगा. So hello my dear scholars, I am G. Vijaya Manorama as teaching is my passion. I am here. You can find more about me at the rate of Manuvedam 7472. Here it is a super short introduction about me. As I like to inspire students to set their goals and achieve that, I have mentored many students for NTSC and CBSE board examinations. So crack all the CBSE exams with India's largest learning platform and academy by taking the Plus subscription so that you can access unlimited live and recorded courses from India's best educators. इंडिया के जितने भी बड़े एजुकेटर्स हैं वो सब आपको इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे पढ़ाते हैं और मल्टीपल एजुकेटर्स का ऑप्शन है, आप जिनसे चाहे आप उनसे पढ़ सकते हैं. ऑल इंडिया रैंकर्स हु आर टीचिंग हियर, सो लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस विद देम इज अ ग्रेट thing for you people. So just go for Plus subscription so that you can access all the unlimited live and recorded courses of those educators. आप उनके PDFs आपको मिलेंगे, ओके उनके साथ जो एक्सपीरियंस होगा, उनका जो पढ़ाने का तरीका है, दीज ऑल थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू बी वेरी मच हेल्पफुल टू क्लियर योर कॉन्सेप्ट्स. वट एवर द डाउट्स आर देयर, दीज ऑल डाउट्स एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग विल बी क्लियर्ड फॉर यू. सो उसके लिए आपको सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना है. वी हैव 2 डिफरेंट प्लान्स ऑफ सब्सक्रिप्शन. सो सब्सक्रिप्शन लेने से और क्या क्या बेनिफिट होंगे? डेली लाइव क्लासेस होते हैं. यू कैन चैट विद योर एजुकेटर्स, यू कैन एंगेज इन द डिस्कशंस, यू कैन आस्क योर डाउट्स एंड यू कैन आंसर इन द पोल्स. Everything while the class is going on you can do. Next thing is structured courses. All the courses were structured in such a manner that each and every class is going to cover your examination syllabus. Your concepts are going to be clear. Okay, so live tests and quizzes which will evaluate your preparation with regular mock tests and quizzes and give you a detailed analysis of your performance. Next thing is with one subscription, unlimited access with one subscription. All the subjects you will get live and recorded courses you can watch from your comfortable device, from your comfortable area. You can, if you have missed one live class also, you can go for the n number of times that recorded course. Okay, so 2 different subscriptions are there, Plus subscription and Iconic subscription. ये जो प्लस और आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन है, प्लस का सब्सक्रिप्शन में इंडिया के बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स पढ़ाते हैं, इंटरेक्टिव लाइव क्लासेस चलते हैं, लाइव टेस्ट एंड क्विजेस एंड क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर. आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन में ये सारे बेनिफिट्स के साथ साथ आपको पर्सनल मेंटर मिलेंगे, लाइव डाउट सॉल्यूशंस होगा, पेरेंट कनेक्ट होगा, स्टडी प्लानर भी होगा. सो बहुत ही अच्छा है, आपका एक प्लानिंग में आपकी पूरी पढ़ाई हो जाएगी. जस्ट गो फॉर इट. सो रेफरल कोड मेरा आपको डालने से आपका जो अमाउंट है, जो भी प्लान है, उसमें से 10% का रिडक्शन मिलेगा. 1 मंथ, 6 मंथ्स, 12 मंथ्स, 18 मंथ्स, 24 मंथ्स, 36 मंथ्स ऑप्शन है. सो कोई सा भी ऑप्शन आप चूज कर सकते हो. इसमें सबसे अच्छा ऑप्शन है आपका 1111 रुपीज़ पर मंथ वाला, जो 18 मंथ्स का है. 20,000 होगा इसका अमाउंट. अगर आप मेरा कोड यूज करोगे तो ये अमाउंट में से आपको 10% रिडक्शन मिल जाएगा, इंस्टेंटली रिडक्शन मिल जाएगा आपको. सो उसके साथ साथ अगर आपके पास क्रेडिट्स भी है उसमें 10% मिलेगा और EMI फैसिलिटी भी है. सो इससे अच्छा ऑप्शन आप इकोनॉमिक फ्रेंडली भी है, इससे अच्छा ऑप्शन आपको कोई सा भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे आपको नहीं मिलेगा. सो अनअकैडमी इज द बेस्ट ऑन दिस पार्ट. एवरी पार्ट इट इज बेस्ट, बट इन दिस पार्ट स्टूडेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू सोच के, पेरेंट्स के बारे में सोच के, अमाउंट भी बहुत ही कम है. जस्ट यू गो फॉर दिस ऑप्शन 18 मंथ्स वाला. तो अनदर आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन, सो उसका भी कोड, कोई सा भी कोड आप डाल सकते हो, VM CBSE या SP विजया, कोई सा भी कोड आप डाल सकते हो. सो आइकॉनिक में सबसे बेस्ट ऑप्शन है ये 24 मंथ्स वाला. 24 मंथ्स वाला में 24 मंथ्स का 48,000, आपका स्कूल फीस ही 1 ईयर का 50,000 से ज़्यादा आप लोग भरते हो. सो यहाँ 2 साल का 48,000 होगा. आप अगर 9th में हो, 10th में हो, 11th में हो, 12th में हो, कोई सा भी क्लास का आप ले सकते हो. तो ये 24 मंथ्स का जो ऑप्शन है ना, ये पर मंथ 2,000 रुपीज़ ही लग रहा है. बहुत ही इकोनॉमिक फ्रेंडली है, सारे सब्जेक्ट्स कवर होंगे. इसके साथ साथ आपको क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर भी मिलेगा. ओके, तो ये जो 48,000 का है, मेरा कोड डालने से आपको इंस्टेंटली 10% का रिडक्शन हो जाएगा। उसके साथ साथ अगर आपके पास क्रेडिट्स है उसका भी 10% कट होगा, और EMI फैसिलिटी ऑल्सो दे। सो ऑल द थ्री हियर 10% यू आर गोइंग टू गेट, credits 10% and EMI. So these all benefits are going to make this every month a very low cost, uh, economically friendly amount है सारे में। So just एक बार सोच के just go for it. So we all the top educators will teach the comprehensive syllabus of mathematics, social science, Hindi, English and science, which is included with physics, chemistry and bio. सो वी आर इन टच विद टेलीग्राम ऐप ऑल्सो। क्वेस्ट एंड CBSE हमारा चैनल है जहां आपको सारे एजुकेटर्स के अपडेट्स मिलते रहेंगे। इंडिया के जितने भी टॉप एजुकेटर्स हैं आपको हमारे चैनल पे मिलेंगे। जो सारे एजुकेटर्स दे आर वर्किंग अ लॉट फॉर योर गुड रिजल्ट, सो ऑल द अपडेट्स यू विल गेट देयर। सो यू गो टू माई प्रोफाइल इन द अनअकैडमी ऐप विजय मनोरमा गोविंदू। आपको अनअकैडमी लर्निंग ऐप इंस्टॉल करना है। अगर अभी तक नहीं इंस्टॉल किया तो आप इंस्टॉल कर लीजिए। इंस्टॉल करने के बाद गोल फॉर CBSE क्लास 10, वहाँ आप सर्च कर सकते हो विजया मनोरमा गोविंदू माई प्रोफाइल। गो टू माई प्रोफाइल, फॉलो मी देर, वॉच माई वीडियोस, गिव मी हैट्स। ओके, सो आप अपना वॉच टाइम बढ़ाओ। जितना ज़्यादा आप मेरे वीडियोस देखोगे, NTSC पूरा बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस मैं प्रैक्टिस दे रही हूँ। सो वहाँ आपका पूरा कवर हो गया है। CBSE each chapter in a quiz manner we are discussing, along with questions we are discussing. So everything in a planned way it is going on, where I am covering all the types of questions for the boards. So every day class is at 6 PM and 7 PM मेरे classes होते हैं। So यहाँ पे NTSC का भी चल रहा है, यहाँ पे boards का चल रहा है। So just attend my classes. तो ये सब कुछ के बाद आपको सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना है। सब्सक्रिप्शन में कोड मांगा जाएगा तो वहाँ डाल देना VM CBSE डालने से आपको इंस्टेंटली 10% का रिडक्शन मिलेगा। आपकी हैप्पी लर्निंग स्टार्ट हो जाएगी और आपका जो गोल है ओवरऑल A1 वो आपको मिलेगा। तो VM CBSE डालो, 10% रिडक्शन पाओ, हैप्पी लर्निंग स्टार्ट करो और A1 लेके आओ। ये है गाना जो मैं हमेशा गाती हूँ। ओके, सो हैट्स ऑफ टू दिस ग्रेट पर्सन. So as I like to inspire students, I want to start the day with a positive note. So all of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talent. So maybe you are not talented, but the opportunity which you get, that you have to utilize in a proper manner to achieve the goal. Okay, so now it's time. Yesterday, कल मैंने ये पूरा चैप्टर को कवर किया था, तो आज NCERT एक्सरसाइजेस करते हैं। सो कंप्लीट चैप्टर विल बी फिनिश। सो आई एम गोइंग टू कंडक्ट अ टेस्ट ऑल्सो ऑन दीज ऑल। सो वॉट एवर फर्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू कवर ऑल द चैप्टर सो दैट आई कैन प्लान फॉर द टेस्ट। ओके, तो चलो NCERT एक्सरसाइजेस एक बार डिस्कस कर लेते हैं। तो वाई डू स्टार्स ट्विंकल, ये हमारा 10th क्वेश्चन है, क्योंकि बुक में चैप्टर तो वही है, अभी तक पूरा चैप्टर निकाला नहीं गया है क्योंकि न्यू बुक्स आर नॉट लॉन्च्ड। तो उसमें ये 10th वाला क्वेश्चन है। मैंने सिर्फ कलरफुल वर्ल्ड का पिक करके किया है क्वेश्चन NCERT का। वाई डू स्टार्स ट्विंकल, stars emit their own light and they twinkle due to atmospheric refraction of light. Okay, due to atmospheric refraction of light, stars are very far away from the earth due to atmospheric refraction. So hence they are considered as point sources of light. When the light coming from sun enters the earth atmosphere, it gets refracted in different levels because of the variation in the heat density at different levels of the atmosphere. When the starlight refracted by the atmosphere comes more and more towards us, okay, it appears brighter than when it comes less towards us. Therefore, it appears as if the stars are twinkling. So imagine these are the layers of atmosphere. So here you are standing, okay. Here you are standing. So as we all know that light ray is refracting, we know that layers, so many layers of atmosphere are there. So ऐसे bend होते 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 क्या होता है, it just continuously it bends. Okay, but actually where we find it here, and it seems to be twinkling continuously. Refracts the light from the stars by varying amounts and in different directions from one moment to the next. Because of this continuous refraction, this refraction of lights from the stars by varying amounts, by different amounts and in different directions from one moment to the next moment, so it changes continuously. That's why we find it as it is some, the stars seem to be higher than they actually are, and this continuously this they twinkle also. When this atmosphere refracts from the starlight towards us, the intensity of starlight, intensity क्या होता है इसका, intensity of starlight is increased. Starlight is increased, ये increase हो जाता है. Okay, when the atmosphere refracts less starlight, the intensity of the starlight decrease. So ये vice versa जो होता है उसी के, that's why the stars seem to be twinkle. Stars emit their own light and they twinkle due to atmospheric refraction. ये तो first point आपको लिखना है atmospheric refraction के बारे में. So stars are very far away from the earth, so they consider as a point source of light. When this light ray is entering into the earth's atmosphere, they refract continuously. Okay, so due to the intensity of the starlight in the different layer, the refraction takes place and it appears as if it is twinkling. तो आप ड्रॉ करके भी बता सकते हो, अच्छा से 2 मार्क्स आपको मिलेगा. So explain why the planets do not twinkle. Planets do not twinkle, why? Because they appear larger in size than the stars as they are relatively close to the earth. They are relatively very close to the earth. ऐसा. Okay, so point source of light, the different parts of these planets produces either brighter or dimmer effect in such a way that the average of brighter and dimmer effect is 0. ये जो point sources of light होता है, it seems to be emit, but due to the different layers of atmosphere, when it is entering, it nullify the effect. Hence, the twinkling effect of planets are nullified and they do not twinkle. So, small variations of their brightness and positions are not noticeable due to the different layers of the atmosphere. ये जो जितने भी layers होते हैं उसकी वजह से ये जो point source है, छोटे छोटे बहुत ही कम source जो आता है, when it is entering, it will not find it, because the twinkling effect of the planets will be nullified due to that. Okay, so the continuous changing atmosphere is unable to the cause of variation in the light rays coming from a big size planet, and therefore they do not twinkle. Okay, next one is, why do sun appears reddish early in the morning? Why it appears reddish in the morning? Okay, during the sunrise, the light rays coming from the sun have to travel a greater distance in the earth's atmosphere before reaching our eyes. Okay, so in this journey, the shorter wavelength of the light, ब्लू का शॉर्टर वेवलेंथ होता है, ब्लू का क्या होता है, शॉर्टर वेवलेंथ. ब्लू का शॉर्टर वेवलेंथ होता है, एंड ब्लू लाइट विच इज प्रेजेंट इन द सनलाइट, it scatter 10 times more than red light. That's why the red light will not scatter and we find it. Okay, any point, that also you can write, this also. So due to the shorter wavelength of lights are scattered out and only longer wavelengths are able to reach to our eyes. Since the blue color has shorter wavelength and red color has larger wavelength. Okay. Due to that, this atmospheric scattering of light takes place, so sun appears reddish early in the morning. So actually, the blue light has shorter wavelength. That's why it's scattered 10 times more than the red light. And sun क्या होता है, वहीं पे यहाँ पे पूरा रेड 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 रह जाता है. ये जो ब्लू कलर होता है वो पूरा ऐसे चला जाता है. Blue, blue light scatter 10 times more than red. ओके. रेड का क्या होता है, रेड का क्या होता है, रेड कलर हैज लॉन्गर वेवलेंथ. ओके. ब्लू कलर हैज शॉर्टर वेवलेंथ. ओके. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Why does the sky appears dark instead of blue to an astronaut? The sky appears dark instead of blue to an astronaut because there is no atmosphere in the outer space. No atmosphere in the outer space that can scatter the sunlight. As the sunlight is not scattered, no scattered light reach the eyes of the astronaut and sky appears to be very dark. Sky would have looked dark if the earth had no atmosphere. Okay, so if the earth had no atmosphere, no scattering of light takes place, no scattered light. Okay, so that's why the sky would appear dark. So colors होंगे तभी ना. Okay, so scattering of light will not take place, that's why it is finding as black. चलो. सो ये 4 क्वेश्चंस हैं, ये 5 क्वेश्चंस हैं एनसीईआरटी एक्सरसाइजेस के. ओके, एनसीईआरटी एक्सरसाइजेस इन टेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस के. सो अभी एनसीईआरटी एग्जाम्पलर्स भी एक बार डिस्कस कर लेते हैं क्योंकि ये पूरा चैप्टर का जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है वो खत्म होगा इसलिए. ओके, so here is the first question. How will you use the two identical prisms so that a narrow beam of white light incident on one prism emerges out of the second prism as white light? Draw the diagram. यहाँ पे डायग्राम हमने बनाया लेकिन ये ना डिफरेंट वेराइटीज ऑफ क्वेश्चंस में भी आते हैं ये. हाउ these questions we get means we get these questions in the form of like recombination of spectrum का activity लिखने के लिए भी देते हैं. That is for 3 marks generally they give. So this is also they give as 3 marks only, but here the presentation is different, there the presentation is different. Okay, how will you use a two identical? Yeah, in brief you can just write and draw. So there in about the experiment, if it is asked about that activity, if it is asked, you have to write this completely. Consider a prism A. When the light falls on it, okay, it splits into 7 constituent colors. The violet color deviates the most and red color deviates the least. So ये जो रेड कलर और ब्लू कलर का जो फंडा है ना, इसके बारे में आपको अच्छी तरह से याद रखना है क्योंकि the whole chapter is based on that only. I am writing here 1 minute. रेड कलर का largest wavelength, least deviation, travel fast, scatter less. ओके, ये पॉइंट आपको याद रखना है. इफ यू रिमेंबर दिस होल चैप्टर इज इन योर हैंड. ओके, इसका क्या होता है, अगर आपको पता है तो चैट बॉक्स में लिख दो बेटा, आप लोग चैट बॉक्स में लिख लो. शॉर्टर वेवलेंथ, मैक्सिमम डेविएशन, ओके, travels very slow, and scatter more. ओके, ये जो ब्लू कलर होता है और रेड कलर होता है, इनके कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स आपको याद रखना है. बेस्ड ऑन दैट ओनली दिस deviation and all takes place. So violet color deviates the most and the red color deviates the least. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो विबजे और कलर जो फॉर्म होता है. व्हेन अ लाइट रे इज पासिंग थ्रू द प्रिज्म इट डिस्पर्स एंड कम आउट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए स्पेक्ट्रम. Okay, so what is spectrum, what is dispersion of light, these all also one mark questions they generally give, you can cover that. So when a light ray is passing like this through the prism A, so it came out in the form of a spectrum. So then Newton, what he has done, Newton's recombination of spectrum इसको बोलते हैं. What Newton did, he has inverted another prism and kept in on the way of this spectrum. When he has kept on the way of this spectrum, so he found that again this dispersion took place and they converged at one point and going out of that prism in the form of white light only. So that was defined completely as the light ray is a combination of 7 colors when dispersion takes place. Okay, so in another prism B is placed in such a way that as it is shown above, it is not below, as it was shown above. Okay, so the light that emerges out of A will be made to merge together to come out as a one white light. Okay, is the position of the star as seen by us its true position? Justify your answer. Okay, apparent height is the position of the stars as it seems to be. So question ऐसे दिया है, stars seems higher than they actually are. That is also justify your statement. Okay, so light from stars passing through the atmosphere like this, so many layers of atmosphere is there. Okay, you are standing here and you are observing. Okay, star आपको okay, why this is the line of vision. This is apparent position and this is actual position. Okay, so when this layers of atmosphere we watch, refractive index increases. This bending is taking place due to atmosphere refraction. Bending is due to atmospheric refraction. So once you can see all these things, okay, you have to draw and explain this. Is the position of a stars as seen by us its true position? Justify your answer. So light from stars passing through the atmosphere bends due to changing refractive index of different layers of the atmosphere and appears as if it comes from a higher level than they actually are. So the stars seem to be slightly higher than the actually. Okay, it happens due to the atmospheric refraction. Due to the atmospheric refraction it seems to be very higher, increasing refractive index, different optical densities of different layers of atmosphere. These all thing matters where continuously refraction takes place. When it continuously refraction when it takes place continuously refraction, so in the atmosphere whatever the refraction takes place, it is called as atmospheric refraction. So due to that only these layers, in each layer it bends in a different manner. That's why it seems to be somewhere else. Okay, the star seems higher than they actually are. So stars are seen by us. Is it a true position? No. उसका आंसर आप क्या लिखोगे? No. Is it is asked, so no. So that is why that is the reason of this. Okay. The next one, this is very very important question of 3 marks. 3 marks का compulsory question देते हैं ये. 3 mark question it is. Explain the refraction of light through a triangular glass prism using a label diagram. Angle of deviation. Define the angle of deviation also. So refraction of light through triangular prism. So ये वाला diagram आपको डालना है. When a light ray is passing from rarer medium to denser medium. So actually it is a rarer medium when it is passing from one point to another point. On the way, if any other medium comes, so that is called as denser medium. Air is a rarer medium it becomes. So the light ray PE enters from glass to air, that is rarer to denser medium. There the refraction takes place at a surface AB and therefore bends towards the normal. It will move towards the normal. So the refracted ray EF now exits from glass and enters into the air. Okay, so from here it came out. This is the incident light ray, refracted ray, and this is emergent ray, and therefore bends away from the normal. Okay, extrapolation of incident and emergent ray gives the angle of deviation. ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे भी आप लिख सकते हो, या you can write the prism. If you know what is angle of deviation, write down in the comment box. The prism makes the emergent ray bend at an angle to the direction of the incident ray. This angle is called the angle of deviation. Okay, this angle is called angle of deviation. The prism that makes the emergent ray bend at an angle to the direction of the incident ray, this angle is called as angle of deviation. So the light ray PE enters into the glass. This is incident angle. This is called as incident ray. It bent towards the normal, means it is becoming it bent towards the base. Okay, so यहाँ एक refraction हुआ, यहाँ एक refraction हुआ. After that refraction, it came out in the form of emergent ray, that is RS. Okay. So if we extend this line, this emergent ray can act as an incident ray, and this incident ray will act as an emergent ray. So these lines only when we extend, so we meet, it intersect at a point. The point where this, see, the point where this intersection takes place, that forms an angle. That is only called as angle of deviation. Okay. इसमें कभी 5 क्वेश्चंस करते हैं, बस रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस कल करते हैं. So next, how can we explain the reddish appearance of sun at sunrise or sunset? Okay, why does it not appear red at noon? देखो, बहुत ही अच्छा क्वेश्चन है ये वाला. ये this question generally you get as 3 marks or 5 marks. 3 marks, and along with some other questions, it sometimes they give as 5 marks. Means in the same question 2-3 parts when we have. Okay, so it is caused by the Rayleigh scattering of sunlight. Rayleigh scattering of sunlight, it is called as. So always this sunlight which is scattered, okay, which color is scattered, these all things that matters of the appearance of the blue light or the red light. So the molecules in the air scatter blue light more, they scatter blue light more. the the blue light scatter 10 times more than red. Okay, the scattering or the intensity scattering is directly proportional to the 6 times of the diameter of the particle. This scattering is directly inversely proportional to the 4 times of the wavelength. So these all things you have to mention there. Okay, so the molecules in the air scatters blue light more than the red light, as red light has shorter wavelength. Okay, sorry, blue light has shorter wavelength as compared to the red light. Okay, blue light has shorter wavelength. रेड लाइट का ज्यादा वेवलेंथ होता है. ओके, विच हैज अबाउट 1.8 टाइम्स ग्रेटर देन द ब्लू लाइट. ओके, ये वाला पॉइंट देखो, ऐसे पॉइंट्स आपको इंक्लूड करने हैं. So it is based on the Rayleigh scattering of sunlight. So molecules which are present in the air scatter blue light more than the red light. Okay, blue light has shorter wavelength as compared to the red light, which has about 1.8 times greater than the blue light. Okay, so that's why sky appears blue. During sunrise or sunset, the sun looks reddish because at that stage sun rays travel longer distance in atmosphere, and blue and green light, which are having shortest wavelength of visible spectrum, is scattered away fully, while the red light has largest wavelength, it is scattered the least. That will stay back in that place only. That's why sun is directly at the overhead. sun कहाँ होता है? ऊपर, सर के ऊपर रहता है पूरा. Okay, travel relatively shorter distance, causing only little of the blue and violet colors to be scattered. Okay, less blue scattered, sun near the horizon, ऐसे आप देख सकते हो. यहाँ पे shorter distance रहता है. Okay, so unequal bending of light, the image of the sun appears oval and larger in size also. Okay, so those all things also you can include. Next question, fifth वाला देखो. Explain the phenomena of dispersion of white light through a glass prism using a suitable diagram. Okay, डायग्राम आपको डालना है. डिस्पर्शन और स्पेक्ट्रम दोनों को दिखाना है डायग्राम में. ये डायग्राम ही 2 मार्क्स में दे देते हैं. यहाँ पे 2 और 1 मार्क, 2 marks and 1 mark value. Okay, so the splitting of light into its constituent colors is referred to as dispersion. Okay, when a narrow beam of white light falls on a triangular glass prism, light of different colors have different refractive indexes is glass. So however the speed of light is same irrespective of its color, different refractive indexes of different colors of light lead to the different bending pattern. Okay, what is the cause of dispersion अगर आपको लिखना है यहाँ पे तो what is the cause of dispersion? Different colors, same velocity in the vacuum or air. Different colors, same speed in air. Okay, different colors have different same speed in air. Same speed in air and different in any medium. Bending is different with different angles. Okay, any medium it is different. Okay, so that causes the dispersion. So that when it split out in the form of spectrum, when it came out, it is formed as VIBGYOR. VIBGYOR means VIBGYO, or all the colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So the light of red color bends the least on passing through the prism and appears at the top. ओके, ऐसे विबज्योर नीचे से ऊपर लिखते हैं हम लोग, ऊपर से नीचे लिखोगे तो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. So appears at the top, while violet color bends with maximum angle and appears at bottom. यहाँ क्या होता है, immediately whenever this light ray is entering into the prism, immediately it will bend. When immediately it is bending means its speed is different than other colors. Okay, so the speed of the light is same irrespective of its color in the vacuum or in the air. When it is in another medium, it differs. So the light of the red color bends the least on passing through the prism and appears at the top, and violet color bends through maximum angle and appears at bottom. Okay, so with this, अगर कोई सा भी डाउट हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखना बच्चों. So remaining questions we'll discuss later. Okay, one only there. Okay, then no problem. Only one question is there. I'll finish it off. Okay. So next one is the sixth question. How does refraction takes place in the atmosphere? Why do stars twinkle but the planets do not? These two are two different questions, but this question is repeated one. This question is repeated one. Okay, so just understanding sake how many types of questions they give. Okay, so optical densities of air particles change with changing height. Okay, optical densities of air particles change with changing height. This in turn produce different pattern of refraction of light by the Earth's atmosphere. Okay, so the continuously changing physical conditions of air produce different pattern of refraction of light stars. So the greater the refraction is, the brighter the star look. ओके, सो यहाँ पे सारे जितने भी एग्जांपल्स है वो सब इंक्लूड करके लिख सकते हो. फेनोमेनस ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन, हाउ डज रिफ्रैक्शन टेक्स प्लेस इन द एटमॉस्फेयर. सो उसके जो भी एग्जांपल्स हैं या स्टार के बारे में, प्लैनेट्स के बारे में, वो सब कुछ आपको यहाँ पे मेंशन करना है. सो द प्लैनेट्स आर present much closer to the earth as compared to the stars, which makes planets to look like an extended sources of light, not like a point size sources of light. Okay, so planets have point size sources of light. Okay, point size sources of light as star appears. So this results in the average of least and maximum refraction as 0. सो ये जो पॉइंट सोर्सेस ऑफ लाइट होते हैं वो डिफरेंट लेयर से जब वो एंटर होते हैं, छोटा सा है यहाँ तक आया, उसके बाद ऐसा है, दिखा ही नहीं, आपको दिखेगा क्या? ओके, सो कंपैरेटिव टू स्टार्स at least apparent height, original height we find because of the it has its own light and that is also very brighter. So planets are present much closer to the earth as compared to the stars, which makes planets to look like an extended sources of light, not like a point size sources of light as stars appear. So this result in the average of at least and maximum refraction as 0, making the planets to look stationary, not twinkling as stars. Stars, they twinkle due to this. Planets, it is not entering only. That's why no light. Okay. Hope you got some information regarding this. Like the session, share with your friends. Okay, go to my profile, follow me there, give me hats, watch my videos and give me hats. Knowledge hats are the way by which you can show your love and support to your favorite educators. Okay, so चलो, डिफरेंट सब्सक्रिप्शन प्लान है, प्लस है, आइकॉनिक है, आप जो लेना चाहते हो आप ले सकते हो. ओके, वहाँ पे मेरा कोड डाल देना, 10% रिडक्शन मिल जाएगा। इकोनॉमिक फ्रेंडली है सब कुछ। SP विजया है मेरा कोड, BEM CBSE भी है मेरा कोड, कोई सा भी कोड आप यूज़ कर सकते। सो 24 मंथ्स का 2000 रुपीज़ पर मंथ में आपका बिना डिस्काउंट के, उसके मेरा कोड डालने से आपको 10% मिलेगा। EMI से आप भर सकते हो, क्रेडिट्स हो तो 10% मिलेगा। चलो, अनअकैडमी लर्निंग ऐप अगर अभी तक आपने इंस्टॉल नहीं किया तो इंस्टॉल द अनअकैडमी लर्निंग ऐप। गोल फॉर CBSE क्लास 10, टेक सब्सक्रिप्शन, यूज द रेफरल कोड BM CBSE, 10% रिडक्शन पाओ, हैप्पी लर्निंग स्टार्ट करो, ओवरऑल A1 लेके आओ। पेरेंट्स विल बी वेरी हैप्पी व्हेन यू गेट A1। ओके, यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ है वो। क्या है यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ? BM CBSE यूज करो, 10% रिडक्शन पाओ, हैप्पी लर्निंग स्टार्ट करो, ओवरऑल A1 लेके आओ और ओवरऑल A1 पाओ। ओके, तो अभी तक अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब द चैनल लेट्स क्रैक 9th and 10th CBSE and hit the bell icon for all the notifications. Go to my profile in the Unacademy app, विजया मनोरमा गोविंदो। नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको सब कुछ डिटेल्स मिलेगा। सो एवरी डे आई टेक क्लासेस at 6 PM and 7 PM. Timings are same, sometimes it may not. Okay, so thank you one and all.